Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best blue laundry basket is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a laundry basket truly stand out from the rest, especially when it comes to a vibrant and practical blue hue that can add a touch of style to your laundry room while keeping your clothes organized and ready for wash day. Number 5. Lifewit 80L Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of flimsy hampers that collapse? This one features a reinforced frame, ensuring it stands upright, even when empty. It's ready whenever you need it. Don't let its collapsible nature fool you. This basket boasts an ultra-large 80-liter capacity, easily holding up to 1.5 loads of laundry. It's perfect for all your clothes, towels, and sheets. Moving laundry is a breeze with its reinforced handles. Designed for comfort, you can carry it with one or two hands, making trips up and down stairs or to the laundromat simple. Crafted from thick polyester with a waterproof PE coating, it keeps your items dry and protected. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it clean. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. This makes it ideal for any space, from your laundry room to college dorms and even for travel. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and more. Its convenient design makes it a great addition to any home, RV, or hotel. What we like? This one is designed to stand tall and proud, even when empty, thanks to its sturdy frame. Its massive 80L capacity means fewer trips to the laundry room. If you have a large family or generate a lot of laundry, this is the basket for you. What people say? The basket is lightweight and easy to carry. It holds a lot of laundry and is very sturdy. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 4. SAMMART 42L Collapsible Laundry Basket. Discover the ultimate solution for your laundry needs. This innovative basket offers convenience and space-saving design. Simply pop it open when you need it, and it's ready to use. Its user-friendly design makes laundry day a breeze. When not in use, it collapses flat, saving over 70% of storage space. Its slim profile is perfect for any home. Crafted with a perfect design, it stands straight and maintains its shape. You can rely on its sturdy construction. Carry your laundry with ease thanks to the comfortable grip handles. Transporting clothes has never been so convenient. Beyond laundry, it's ideal for storing toys and clothes. Keep your car trunk organized too with this versatile container. Rest assured, it's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for your family. Enjoy a healthier home environment. What we like? This basket offers incredible space-saving capabilities, collapsing down to just 2.7 inches. It's perfect for those living in smaller apartments or dorm rooms where space is at a premium. If you need a functional laundry solution that disappears when not in use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The basket is lightweight and easy to carry. It holds a lot of laundry, which is great for a family. The handles are sturdy and comfortable to grip. Number 3. COMSE Extra Large Blanket Basket. Crafted from healthy, chemical-free cotton rope, this basket is safe for your little ones and furry friends. This tall basket is strong and reliable, standing up on its own. It's perfect for storing baby clothes and toys. Measuring 15.7 by 21.7 inches, it's ideal for blankets, pillows, toys, or clothing. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. With durable handles for easy carrying and a neutral color design, it adds a touch of style to any room. It's perfect for your laundry room, bedroom, or living area. It may fold for shipping, but easily regains its shape when filled. Remove creases by ironing for a perfect look. We are confident you'll love its quality. If not, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like? Crafted from healthy, chemical-free cotton rope, this basket is safe for homes with children and pets. Its soft yet sturdy construction makes it ideal for a nursery or any room where aesthetics matter. If you're looking for a stylish, eco-friendly option that doubles as home decor, consider this one. What people say? This basket is very sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. The handles make it easy to carry, even when full. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Number 2. BOSROTY Large Cotton Rope Woven Laundry Hamper. This tall basket offers a large 72L capacity, perfect for organizing toys, blankets, clothes, and towels in any room of your home. It's an ideal solution for keeping your living spaces tidy. Beyond laundry, this stylish woven basket serves multiple purposes. Use it as a toy bin, nursery hamper, or even a plant holder. Its adaptable design complements any home decor. Handmade with soft, premium cotton ropes, this basket is safe for children and pets. It features no sharp edges, protecting your floors and little ones. Built to last with even stitching and reinforced handles, this sturdy basket can carry heavy loads without deforming. Enjoy convenient transport of your belongings. If creases appear from shipping, simply fill it with blankets or towels to restore its shape. You can also easily iron out any wrinkles for a pristine look. With its carefully chosen colors and multi-use design, this basket adds a unique decorative touch to your home while providing practical storage. What we like? This handmade basket is incredibly versatile, serving not just as a laundry hamper but also for toys, blankets, and more. Its robust construction and reinforced handles ensure it can handle heavy loads with ease. If you need a durable, multifunctional storage solution that also adds a touch of handmade charm to your home, this is a great pick. What people say. The basket is lightweight and easy to carry. It holds a lot of laundry, which is great for a family. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 1. Simple Houseware Foldable Laundry Hamper Basket with Lid, Dark Blue. Tired of unsightly laundry piles? Introducing our new foldable laundry hamper, designed to keep your space tidy and your clothes out of sight. This hamper features a convenient lid that effectively seals away odors. It ensures your dirty laundry remains hidden, maintaining a fresh environment. Crafted from durable polypropylene, it's built to last. Despite its sturdiness, it remains lightweight for easy handling and transport. You can easily move the entire hamper or utilize the inner laundry bag for transport. It's compatible with most laundry bags from different brands. Perfect for any home, it fits neatly into most closet spaces or bathrooms. When not in use, it collapses effortlessly for convenient storage. Its extendable design offers ample space, measuring up to 22.75 inches in height. This provides plenty of room for your laundry needs. What we like? The standout feature here is the lid, which keeps odors contained and laundry out of sight. It's also lightweight and durable, making it easy to transport. If you prioritize discretion and odor control for your laundry, this lidded hamper is the practical choice. What people say. The basket is lightweight and easy to carry, even when full. It holds a large amount of laundry, which is great for a family. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.